Harshita.
I'm Mohana.
And welcome to our channel, HM Diaries. So today is our parents' anniversary and we have decided to go out and chill for some time.
Yeah, and
but
it's raining, but we wanted to go out in the rain. The weather is like nice, you know, to be like
and it's be so romantic for them, right?
Yeah.
It's gonna be cool. And wait, I'll just show you the weather. It's awesome.
And also like my dad was like very lazy to drive. Like he didn't want to drive today, so to give him rest, we just booked an Uber. We are waiting for it now.
Yeah, we're in the basement. So in the morning, my mom draped Amama's new sari just to feel her blessings and love. And yes, then we clicked a few pictures for them and then left for lunch.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way.
Folks, we have reached the mall and now we are about to have our lunch.
Yeah, and also as it's our parents' wedding anniversary, we just have few celebrations.
Yes, I'm so excited for that. Yay! And after having our lunch, we're going to start with a challenge. Stay tuned for that.
Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride. Savannah.
So folks, it's the time for the challenge and we just had a heavy lunch. Mona, how are we going to do it now?
I don't know. Best of luck to us.
Yeah.
Okay, so coming to the challenge.
Yes. So we have 10,000 rupees to spend within 10 minutes.
Yeah.
We can go to various shops.
Yeah,
And
preferably clothes.
yeah.
Yeah, and also folks, we are gonna like stop the timer once we step out of the shop, and then again resume it when we like enter another shop.
Yes.
Okay, because it's like time consuming, right?
And the billing will be done later.
Yeah, so we're just gonna keep the clothes in the caddy bag. We're gonna keep it aside, and also if any of them, if
Don't
any of the
fit
clothes,
us.
don't fit us, we're gonna exchange it after billing. Okay?
Yeah. So we have seen many people doing this challenge in YouTube.
I wonder how they buy clothes like so easily.
Yeah.
It's like it approximately takes us 15 minutes to like decide and buy one dress. But yeah, best of luck to us.
Yeah, Monu. But I don't want to fake it or something. I
Yeah.
really want to try it.
Yeah, actually.
Yeah? 10 minutes, guys. 10 minutes, 10,000. Let's go! So, folks, now it's the time for the challenge. It's exciting. And yes, we come to West Side.
Yeah, and it seems to have like nice stuff here. And I have to see the size for me and stuff. I like, don't have any idea about it.
Yeah. And also, the matter is not about 10,000 rupees, but it's just like for us, it's very difficult.
10,000 within 10 minutes. That's the thing.
That's the matter now.
Yeah,
So-
because like we are shopaholics folks, but it takes us, we're not that type who can just like select a few tops very easily in like within 10 minutes. It takes us little time to like decide.
Exactly.
Right?
So I guess without any delay, timer on.
Okay, yeah.
Timer 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Ready? Okay.
You go inside and start the timer.
Okay, yeah. We'll enter and then start the challenge. Okay, guys. So, folks, mask on, timer on. Ready?
Yes.
3,
I'm very full.
1, start.
Okay.
Run.
So folks, at times we will be giving a voiceover because there was a song being played in the store and yes, we could get copyright issues. So yeah.
So at this point I was so confused. I didn't know where to start from. Like I was so lost, and usually my sister and my mom, you know, they keep helping me guide and stuff. But here, oh god.
So this was the first top I selected, and as soon as I saw it, I fell in love with it, and without any second thought, I just dumped it into my bag.
This was my first choice and I had no clue if it would suit me or not, but I just like the color, so I just picked it up.
I was just peeping into what Mohana was up to, because this challenge, we have to complete it together and we have to get the amount to 10,000 together. So yeah, and the time was 9, we had 9 minutes 8 seconds.
Guys, see me struggle here. I could not carry all my clothes. Luckily, my mom came to my rescue and helped me. How do I hold this? My mom's helping me.
What's up? Okay. It is so difficult. Time is 6 minutes. Yeah, 6 minutes 34, 33 seconds. Okay, whatever.
How do I reach this?
We were so engrossed in this challenge that we didn't even bother to see if anyone was looking at us. And yes, actually people were looking at us because we were running here and there and shooting and all. And yes, but Mohana, luckily we didn't dash anyone.
Yeah, exactly. 5 minutes. This is so real. I love it.
This is so cool. I'm wearing a similar one.
So I think I crossed the limit of my share. So I kept like 2 minutes to calculate because it takes time for me. Let's just calculate fastly now.
What are you up to?
Are you done?
I just want to calculate.
I
Oh, we have like 1 minute 23 seconds.
Okay, where's the tag? Yeah, this is that.
Oh my god. I guess I have to cancel it because he's already exceeding the limit. So now I have to mind it.
Okay, I think I'm done.
You done?
Almost. Okay, I'm done.
You done?
Oh,
Counted everything, right?
I guess. Okay, wait, I didn't do this. I remove one of the tops.
Oh my god. Okay.
Okay, now it's enough.
5,200.
Now it's enough.
I guess that's it. Hopefully these are of my size.
Yeah, we couldn't see the sizes later, folks. also. But
Oh, this is so exciting, but so tiring too. We were running literally.
usually I take time to calculate stuff, and I'm just doing that. I can't believe I did it today.
Mona, we did it. Mine thumbed up to 5,200.
I think mine is
I mean, 100, 200 difference is fine.
yeah.
But not like if it
12,000.
yeah, 12,000 or 9,000, 8,000. The limit is 10,000, but yes, 200, 300, maximum 500 difference can be there.
Yeah.
So I guess we're done. We're gonna shop these.
I'm so excited.
Did you get the perfect size?
Yeah, I put approximately my size, so hope it fits me. Or had to exchange it later.
Yeah, I guess even I got the size properly.
Yeah, I know my size well, so it's fine.
We're just gonna build them. Come on. So this is the bill. This is 10,200.
And we purchased there are few of our mom's tops as well.
Yeah. So this is another bill. So what we purchased is this one, 10,200.
Okay, we
I guess we did it, Monu. Good to go. Yay! So folks, we completed the challenge successfully.
I'm so happy. Are you happy with the dresses?
Obviously, I'm so excited to try all of them.
Yeah, me too. And I'm very excited to use them.
And also coming to the sizes, we had to change 2 tops. That's it.
Yeah, that's it. And also, folks, luckily we bought all our tops in this shop. We didn't have to go to another one.
Yeah.
Good luck for us.
Yeah. And while doing this challenge, literally we had so much tension. We had a lot of fun.
At a point of time, especially when I was calculating it, it
Exactly.
was so